What's up, guys? Mower Medic 1 here, and today's video or quick tip is going to be on this. I just got done mowing my acre with my Spartan mower. I got the front done and the back done, and I never even thought twice to look back to see if, you know, the air filter or the chopper screen for the grass needed to be cleaned off. And holy moly, guys, especially you guys that are cutting commercial, y'all need to be stopping periodically and checking your air intake screen on your mower. Look at that. You might as well just throw a blanket over this thing. I always blow my machines off though before I put them up. I think what's happening is when I put this aftermarket air filter on here, the grass is getting caught and not ejected away from it. But that engine is sucking a tremendous amount of CFMs through that induction fan right there. Once a season, you need to pull this blower shroud off and clean all of the cylinder fins. But you can probably see down in here. Let me turn the flashlight on. This is an inspection hole for a Kawasaki. As you can tell, those cylinder fins, if I can get it to focus, there's the spark plug. Looks good on that side. Kind of hard to tell. Can't really get the camera angle down in there good for you guys. It's got just a little bit there. But yeah, got to be taking in consideration that yeah, that's basically that could overheat your engine and blow head gaskets and everything else.